afternoon, the Indian Space Research Organisation announced that Skyroot Aerospace has successfully carried out the first static test of its powerful Kalam 1200 solid rocket motor, the first stage of the Vikram 1 launch vehicle at the Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Sriharikota. Now, the test, which was conducted at 9:05 am at SDSC Static Test Complex, marks a significant step in the development of Vikram 1, being built, of course, by Hyderabad-based Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited. Now, according to ISRO, the Kalam 1200 motor is an 11-meter long, 1.7-meter diameter monolithic composite motor carrying 30 tons of solid propellant. It is the longest monolithic motor prepared at the solid propellant plant in Sriharikota. ISRO also designed the special test stand used for the trial. My colleague Belly Thomas, in fact, joining us on the broadcast. Belly, take us through the Kalam 1200 that ISRO stated the successful static tests of which have just been carried out in Sriharikota.
Malvika, the country's first privately developed orbital launch vehicle, Vikram 1, breached a crucial milestone as the Skyroot Aerospace successfully static test-fired the rocket's Stage 1 carbon composite solid fuel booster stage at the Advanced Test Complex at the Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Sriharikota. So the launch vehicle will provide on-demand and customized launches for global small satellite operators, both in India and globally. The static test conducted at the spaceport under the aegis of ISRO validated the performance of the 30-ton booster stage of the Skyroot's orbital launch vehicle Vikram 1, which is slated for its maiden flight later this year. The rocket stage was fired for around 110 seconds and generated the desired thrust within the estimated lower and upper bounds throughout its burn time. Named Kalam 1200, the rocket stage is the largest monolithic solid rocket motor developed in the country's space sector. At 11 meters long, it can generate along nearly 1200 kN of peak vacuum thrust, nearly 10 times as big as that of an engine of a Boeing 737 MAX. The casting of Kalam 1200, a complex process of pouring and shaping the bespoke solid fuel propellant inside the carbon composite casing, was accomplished by the ISRO's SDSC SHAR at the Sriharikota. Friday's static test validated the ballistic performance, burn rate, thermal protection system of the motor, as well as other parameters, including the composite flex nozzle system, Naga Bharat Dhaka, and this was actually done by the chief operating officer of the Skyroot Aerospace. He had come out with that information, and the flex nozzle system is a steering mechanism for the rocket controlled by Vikram 1's mission computer, the onboard command and control computer that runs the algorithm guiding the rocket autonomously from the launch pad to the orbit. Malvika.